So today we got my 1976 Toyota Hilux. Right now it's kind of fucked up. We're gonna be doing the slave cylinder. Got the old one out now. There's a ghetto one in there right now. This is gonna be the new one. So get ready for this incredible journey.
Doodle.
So as you can see, take the front wheel off because it's easier to get to it. Slave cylinder is located right here. Line goes up into the hard line, runs across here to this reservoir right here. This is where your reservoir is for your clutch system. And as long as you use DOT3 brake fluid in there, you're good. So when you get under here, take a look right here. Here's the slave cylinder. There's two bolts right here and a spring that hold it on. This is where the hard line goes. This is the bleeder valve. Now the original one that I took out of here, this bleeder valve was over here, and this line is supposed to go into the top. So when I replaced it the first time, I had to ghetto rig it up a little bit, but now it should work. Oh, yep, that hurt. Fuck. Just smashed my hand into the fucking sway bar linkage.
Did you?
Saw it coming, I should have fucking known. Oh, it's gonna happen again. It's gonna happen again. Oh, I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
I mean, some people care, but
So let's get these daggone bolts.
this doggone bolt had to drink me a 2-liter Mountain Dew.
Daggone nuts off. Busted the nut off.
I don't think you could say that on YouTube.
Well, I just did. My transmission's leaking some sort of fluid that I'm just noticing now.
What's not leaking from this fucking truck?
Dude, nothing ever leaked from this. It's that one.
It's the most efficient vehicle
It's that one.
on the road.
Exactly. Alright, now to pull that spring off. This is the bitch. And I think... yep, gonna need a flathead. Ow, that hurt. Oh, I ripped the skin. Oh. Oh, god damn it. I didn't do any of that the first time. You fucking... Right. Springs off. Pull this thing out. Then this hard line. Alright, we got this line loosened up. About to twist this off. You know, environmental, so make sure you got something to catch it, you fucks. Ow! It went everywhere. It's in my mouth.
I don't think you can say that on YouTube either.
What's in my mouth?
You want me to pump the clutch, dude?
No, I'm watching all the air come out of it now.
Will it go faster if I pump the clutch?
I don't know. But, let's get our other one ready, I guess. Here's the OG slave cylinder. See, the line goes in the top, bleeder on the side. This was the first fix for the slave cylinder. Huge rip in the boot there. Huge rip. Bleeder on the top, port on the side. Not okay. Oh, this also came with a very long bolt, so I had to take the bolt off of this one and put it on this one. Here is hopefully the better fix, which, as you can see, nearly identical, if not exactly the same thing. So, what do you think?
I'm thinking it's gonna be a good one.
What else are you thinking about?
Pizza.
That's coming for you later. Alright. New one's on the line. Slide back in here, throw the spring on, and I guess we'll fucking see what happens then. And, yeah. There's Gouda.
Gouda.
Little update. Big Gib, Gudicrous.
Good.
We had to swap out the bolts because the bolt in the new one was too long. This piece that comes out of the boot right here, this piece was too long in the new one, so we had to take it out of the original one and put it in here. Hopefully it works. Bolts back up, springs up, lines hooked up here. We got our bleeder nipple here, and we're about to bleed the system, so let's fucking send it. Good old DOT3 brake fluid.
Smells good in here.
Yeah. So Good is gonna pump the clutch while we bleed the system. He's gonna pump it a bunch of times till it gets hard.
Pumping it right now?
Yep. Oh shit!
What?
It didn't work.
Enough said.
Didn't work. Tune in next week to see what happens to good old Shima 76. Piece of shit. I'm just kidding. You're not a piece of shit. You're not a piece of shit. You're just garbage. Yep. Try again next week, I guess. It's not fixed.
But Gibby, what happened?
Well, the bolt that comes out of that boot was not long enough. So we got to shave it down.
You mean it's too long?
It's almost, yeah, it's too long. So I shaved it down, pretty good amount. And he still needs maybe like
Less than
an eighth of an inch, yeah, like not that much. And then from pulling it in and out of the boot too much, the boot split, so I gotta get a new boot. But we're getting there. He'll be back up and running. I mean, he runs. I think.
Oh no.
It'll be okay. He'll be okay. But yeah. Maybe next video we'll get him going. Get him running down the road, driving. But until then, this is where he sits.